This tutorial demonstrates LiDAR semantic segmentation on the Semantic Kitty dataset using an detection 3D model loaded through the PerceptionMetrics library. First, select LiDAR segmentation from the task drop-down. Choose the Semantic Kitty dataset and the required split, then click Browse to select the dataset folder. Make sure the dataset follows the required Semantic Kitty directory structure, including the LiDAR point clouds and their corresponding labels. Then load the Semantic Kitty configuration file, which defines the default color associated with each semantic class. Once the dataset is loaded, open the Dataset Viewer tab to inspect the LiDAR point cloud, with each point colored according to its semantic label. You can pan, zoom, and rotate the 3D view, adjust the point size, and reset the visualization to the top view. Hovering over an individual point displays its associated semantic label. Next, select Intensity from the Color by menu to visualize the LiDAR points according to their reflected intensity values. Use the Intensity Clip Range slider to threshold the displayed values and reduce the influence of very low or high intensity points. Next, select Detection 3D as the model type. Provide the Detection 3D configuration file, model checkpoint, PerceptionMetrics model configuration, and ontology file. Select the device and click Load LiDAR model. Next, open the Inference tab and upload a Semantic Kitty.bin point cloud file. Adjust the point size, maximum number of displayed points, and intensity clip range as needed, then click Run LiDAR Inference. Once inference is complete, the GUI displays the predicted semantic segmentation alongside the intensity view. The prediction colors each point according to its predicted class, while the intensity view shows the LiDAR return intensities. Next, open the Evaluator tab to evaluate the loaded model on the selected Semantic Kitty split. Optionally, enable prediction saving. When the dataset and model use different ontologies, provide an ontology translation file and select the appropriate translation direction. Then click Run Evaluation. The evaluation progress and intermediate results are updated directly in the tab. The final results include class-wise metrics together with macro and micro averages for IOU, DICE score, precision, recall, accuracy, and F1 score.